Solipsism. Solipsism is the belief that only your own mind can be known to exist. According to this idea, everything outside of your mind, people, places, events, might just be an illusion. You can never truly prove that anyone else is real because all your evidence comes from your own perception. It's an isolating theory that raises a haunting question. What if you're truly alone? Brain in a vat. Imagine you're not actually living in the world. You're just a brain floating in a tank, hooked up to a computer that's feeding you artificial experiences. The brain in a vat theory challenges everything we assume about reality. If a machine can perfectly simulate the senses, how would you ever know what's real? Eternal recurrence. This theory, popularized by Nietzsche, asks, what if you had to live your life over and over again, endlessly, without changing a single moment? Eternal recurrence isn't just about time loops. It's a test of how meaningful your life really is. Would you be proud to live it forever? Simulation theory. Simulation theory suggests that advanced civilizations could run simulations of conscious beings. And if that's possible, it's statistically more likely we're living in one than in base reality. In other words, everything you know might be part of an incredibly advanced video game. You might not even be the player, just a programmed character, the ship of Theseus. If you replaced every single part of a ship over time, is it still the same ship? Now apply that to yourself. Your body cells regenerate, your thoughts change. So what makes you, you? The ship of Theseus is a paradox about identity and continuity, and it still confuses people thousands of years after it was first proposed. Panpsychism. Panpsychism is the theory that consciousness exists in all things, not just humans or animals, but trees, rocks, atoms, and even subatomic particles. It sounds bizarre, but some modern scientists are exploring it as a possible solution to the mystery of consciousness. What if awareness is woven into the very fabric of the universe? Last Thursdayism. Last Thursdayism proposes that the universe might have been created just last Thursday, complete with false memories, fake history, and already decaying fossils. It's impossible to disprove, which is the point. The theory pokes fun at ideas that can't be tested and challenges how much we can really know about the past. Antinatalism. Antinatalists believe that bringing new life into the world is morally wrong, not because life is bad, but because it inevitably involves suffering. According to this view, not existing spares someone from pain, and that's ethically preferable. It's a dark but surprisingly logical stance that flips our usual values upside down. Fatalism. Fatalism is the belief that all events are predetermined and inevitable. No matter what choices you make, the outcome has already been decided. Free will, in this view, is just an illusion. Some find this idea terrifying, while others see it as strangely comforting. If everything is fated, maybe we can stop worrying about control. The Boltzmann brain. The Boltzmann brain theory suggests that in an infinite universe, it's more statistically likely for a random, self-aware brain to form out of chaos than for the whole complex universe to exist. That means you might be a temporary brain, hallucinating this entire reality for a few fleeting moments before vanishing.